when I first become a PT, this is like one of my first ever clients. So I was like a little 21-year-old or whatever, rosy red cheeks, like in the gym, like bit nervous. Do you know what I mean? Didn't really like know what I kind of knew what I was doing, but you just you get a bit nervous. And I had this client, I think she was Italian or something like that. And we was on the leg press, and every time she did a rep, she would make like the loudest sex noise. But I was obviously so young and I was so embarrassed because everyone was staring over and they were all talking and they were watching. And and then it wasn't just a leg press, it was every single exercise. So like every time she done like 10 sessions, I think. So every time there was a session coming up, I was thinking, oh, I'm dreading this. And she'd always be in like the busy time. So she'll be bloody making proper grunting sex noises. And I was just a little kid, obviously a bit nervous and that,
Bit embarrassed.